What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have vz101949. Now this is our vicrez wide body fog lamp cover. And this one also comes with the LED lights. And this is for the Dodge Charger fitting 2015 to 2023 models. Now this is how we send them out to you guys. So whenever you receive your fog lamp covers with the LED lights, this is how they will arrive, shipped to you. And you'll have your fog lamp covers that actually come in this bag. And you'll have a left and a right side. So here, it'll indicate on the inside, and it'll actually say something along the lines of the part number, and then it'll say wide body fog lamp cover with LED lights, and then it'll say R or L. And that's for the side it goes on. This is the right side, which means this should be the left side. Now guys, always check and make sure you have both of the correct parts. Now this one is left. If you have two rights, just reach out to our customer service team and I'm sure we could take care of you and get you sent the correct part. Now, also in this box, we should have another box, which this contains our LED lights. Go ahead and open this up. Now we do have these wrapped with a little bit of protection, and they do come with the wires for wiring them up. The only thing it does not come with is hardware for actually attaching the LED lights to the fog light cover itself. But on the back here, there are posts where this will match up with, and each of these tabs have two holes and they'll correspond with each of these tabs on the fog light cover. And they also have longer little posts that'll slot into one of the holes. So you'll know if you have the correct piece because it should just fit right in place. If you have the wrong one, it won't fit on properly. So just make sure you're trying to put on the right one and not just forcing it on. And that goes for the other side too. Now this is what it will look like on the back side. You'll have two top screw holes and then one bottom hole. So it's 6 screws in total for both of these to install the lights. Now sadly, we do not include hardware, but we are working on getting hardware. Let us know down in the comments if that's really something important to you guys, and we'll definitely try to work on that. But other than that, that's pretty much it for vz101949. If you want to see more videos like this one or other videos, check out our Vicrez YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it for this video. Peace.